Okay friends, let's go ahead and get our grill assembly off of the vehicle. Looking at the top, you're going to find 4 push clips. Typically for this, you can use a Phillips head screwdriver, pull out the center, and then lift up the outer aspect. Now we'll do the same to all. Carefully grab onto that grill. We're going to pull it away from the front of the vehicle and lift it up at the same time. Now it's time to debadge our front grill. Now to do this, we're going to heat it up from the back side, and from the front, after it's been heated for a little while, we'll carefully use a small screwdriver or even a trim tool and gently start pulling it off. Let's turn this over. We'll apply some heat along this entire area because that's where the adhesive is going to be. Be very careful, this could potentially be hot. There's our badge. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and clean up the back side of the badge and reapply some adhesive. Okay, at this point, I went ahead and I cleaned the back side of my badge. We're going to get ready to install it onto the brand new grill. Looking at the grill, you can see that you have 3 alignment ports, and on the back of the badge, you have 3 little pitons that need to line up perfectly. Now with that said, we're going to have to apply some adhesive to this. It's a good idea to use something that's easily removable, but it's not necessarily going to make it so this can fall off while you're driving down the road. Essentially just in case you have to replace something down the line. I'm going to go ahead and take some of this. We're going to go right along here. Just make a nice line going all the way around it. Now let's take this, line up the alignment tabs with the corresponding holes, and slide it into position. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is press this down and allow it to finish drying. Okay, now that our badge is dried, let's continue putting the grill onto the vehicle. Have a look at the bottom of the grill. You're going to find that you have tabs that go along it. Those tabs need to go along the back side of this area. Let's go ahead and slide it in position and bring it down. Now once it feels as though it's pressed in as far as you can, continue on with your 4 push clips. To install these, you want to have the center in the lifted up position. That's unlocked. Press down the outer aspect until it's all the way down against the grill, and then lock it in with the center. Do the same to all. Grab your grill, make sure it's secure. After that, go ahead and close your hood, take it for a road test, make sure you don't hear any funny noises. Thank you for watching.